Apple has just set a massive trap. The entire PC industry is about to walk right into it. Most people look at the Mac Mini and see a cute little box. They think it is just for college students. They think it is just for checking emails. But the latest leaks tell a totally different story. It is actually a terrifying story for the competition. What Apple is about to release is a Trojan horse. It looks friendly on the outside, but on the inside, it has enough raw power to bankrupt other computer brands. Welcome back to the channel. If you thought the desktop computer was dead, you need to hear this right now. We have the specs for the new M5 Mac Mini. It is the most aggressive entry-level machine Apple has ever made. The upgrades are so big, they feel illegal. Let's break down exactly what is happening. Your next computer choice just got made for you. The biggest clue is hiding right in plain sight. Go to the official Apple Store today. Try to buy a high-end Mac Mini. Try to buy a Mac Studio. You will hit a huge brick wall. Apple is showing crazy shipping delays. Some machines will not ship for 12 whole weeks. They are completely out of stock of their best computers. Why is this happening? It is simple. Apple has halted the old production lines. They are clearing the factory floor. They are making room for the M5 chip. This is not just a silly rumor. This is a massive shift in the supply chain. Millions of dollars are moving. Factories are already pumping out the new silicon right now. The details leaking from these factories are amazing. Apple is finally fixing their biggest mistake. They are fixing the one thing that made everyone mad. For years, buying a base model Mac was a bitter pill to swallow. You had to settle for 256 gigabytes of storage. It was a complete nightmare. You download a few big apps. You save some videos. Suddenly, your brand new computer is full. It begs for mercy. You had to go buy an expensive external hard drive. You had an ugly drive dangling off your nice, clean desk forever. We finally have proof that this nightmare is over. Apple has killed the 256 gigabyte base model. It is completely gone. The new M5 Mac Mini will start at 512 gigabytes of storage. And yes, they're giving us 16 gigabytes of memory as the minimum. This changes the entire game. Your desk stays clean. Your files open fast. You will never see another storage warning again. But Apple did not stop there. They supercharged the engine too. The leaks confirm a crazy boost in power. The base M5 chip has a 45% jump in graphics performance. In the tech world, a 45% jump in 1 year is basically unheard of. Usually, companies fight hard just to give us a tiny 10% boost. Apple is skipping a whole generation of progress. They're handing it to us for free. What does this actually mean for you? It means true freedom. You can edit massive videos without any lag. You can play heavy games very smoothly. Your computer will feel just as fast 5 years from now. Apple wants you to have pro power without the pro price. If you're a true power user, wait until you hear about the M5 Pro model. We are entering the age of heavy artificial intelligence. Running AI on your computer needs a lot of power. Usually, doing this makes a tiny computer overheat. It slows down. It sounds like a loud vacuum cleaner. But Apple engineers fixed this. They created a brand new fusion architecture. They combined 2 processing chips into one giant chip. This doubles your memory bandwidth. It doubles your computing power, but it keeps the physical temperature very low. You get the power of a giant Windows tower, but it fits inside a sleek, silent aluminum box on your desk. Your personal data stays safe. Your heavy tasks run completely silently. All of this power fits into the exact same ultra-compact design. Apple is keeping the radical shape that we love. They're keeping the front-facing ports. You never have to reach blindly behind your monitor again. You get fast Wi-Fi 7. You get Bluetooth 6. The base model has great Thunderbolt 4 ports. The Pro model steps up to blazing fast Thunderbolt 5. You're getting absolutely everything you want in a modern setup. So what will this cost you? Apple is giving us double the storage. They're giving a huge graphics upgrade. The starting price is heavily rumored to be just $699. Honestly, the rest of the PC industry should just give up. Try to build a custom Windows PC for $699 that is this FA. Try to make it this quiet. Try to make it this small. It is physically impossible. In my best opinion, this upcoming M5 Mac Mini is the most important computer Apple has released since the original M1 chip. For $699, you're getting a machine with no bottlenecks. The storage upgrade alone makes an instant buy. It is a powerhouse. It will easily last you for years. It is practical. It is powerful. It completely redefines what a budget computer can actually be. Do not buy a new computer right now. Wait for this monster to drop. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.